AFR brings a new option for how we can efficiently organize traffic and safely separate aircraft in the airspace. Today, VFR relies on pilots to see and avoid other traffic, while IFR aircraft are separated from other IFR traffic by air traffic control. At its core, AFR is introducing the possibility of using automation for the first time to organize and separate air traffic in certain airspaces and in specific scenarios. This offers a range of benefits, such as enabling the integration of novel operations into the airspace without increasing air traffic controller workload.
When it comes to urban air mobility, the problem that this white paper is addressing is really rooted into integration and scalability.
As we add more airplanes to lower altitude airspace, we may in certain cases end up exceeding the capacity of our air traffic system. For example, by increasing the workload of air traffic controllers. By allowing aircraft to rely on automation to keep themselves efficiently organized and safely separated in the airspace, we believe scalability could be significantly improved with AFR.
So automated flight rules are really based up until 4 pillars. We are basing it upon airspace automation, aircraft automation, airdrome automation, and last but not least, automated traffic management services. A lot of the concepts outline UAM ecosystem as multiple different things, but never put them together. What we have done under our AFR approach is we put the ecosystem pieces in one holistic view where we talk about vertiports, we talk about airspace, we talk about routing, we talk about procedures and aircraft, all together operating as one whole ecosystem.
We need aircraft systems, ground systems, and data links. On the aircraft, we need new collision avoidance systems such as ACAS-X that can keep the aircraft safe at all times. On the ground, we need a new automated traffic management system, or ATMS, that orchestrates UAM operations in this new AFR airspace and keeps flights efficiently organized. We also need new ground surveillance systems to monitor the position of UAM aircraft in the airspace with high integrity and low latency. And finally, we need new secure data links that allow for this information from the ground to be exchanged with aircraft in real time.
Automation is really in the heart of the concept for automated flight rules.
A new class of airspace, which in this paper we call Class X-ray, is needed to enable a new paradigm of separating airplanes. The current regulations we have today allow for either pilots or air traffic controllers to be the ones responsible for keeping airplanes separated. By having a new airspace that introduces a third paradigm in which automated systems can be made the separator, we can allow for AFR to be executed using the conflict management automation. Controllers are going to retain the ability to strategically manage the Class X-ray airspace. For example, by changing the availability and capacity limits of that airspace, or perhaps by changing the configuration of the airspace in order to respond to the needs of the surrounding controlled airspace. Rather than removing ATC from the picture, AFR allows controllers to manage that airspace through more strategic decisions instead of minute-to-minute instructions.
When you actually are trying to achieve what AFR can do in high-density operations, that's when we are getting to things like performance-based separation, trajectory intent sharing, airdrome automation, integrated operational picture, and more advanced CNS capabilities.
Air navigation service providers and civil aviation authorities are going to be key stakeholders in the implementation of automated flight rules, or AFR. Industry will need to work together with them to identify opportunities for early deployment, as well as demonstration activities that bring this concept to fruition.
The time is really now. The rules have been evolving ever since the aviation industry has come up. So right now is really the time to bring in the automation and really start exercising it, bring it all to the new functions, the new services, and really the new vision for the industry to head towards.
We see this paper as a blueprint for what UAM operations could look like in their mature state. But we know that building the final state will require close collaboration between industry and government. We at SkyGrid and Wisk are ready to engage with partners from around the globe to make that a reality.
We're all in this together, and so let's make this vision happen.